Hello, everybody. Today we are presenting on port scanner, and my team members are Utsav, Adhikari, Joshua, Nirajan, me, myself, and Sandesh. So, what is port scanning? A port scan is a technique for detecting which ports are open in a network. Port scanning is similar to knocking on doors to determine whether anybody is at home, since ports on a computer are where information is transmitted and received. Now I would like to pass the presentation to the next team member.
Thank you, my friend. So let's start with the benefits of the port scanner. There are so many port scanner available. So the benefits of port scanner are to detect the network vulnerabilities from open ports on the network, also to detect the leakage of data, and also to determine the status of ports. And next slide, please. I'd like to pass it to my next friend. Thank you.
Oh, thank you, Nirajan. So over here, this is the Nmap. So it is one of the port scanner as well. So over here, so Nmap is a network administrator tool for identifying what devices are operating on the system, locating all available hosts and services they provide, discovering on ports and detecting security. So there are various benefits to it, like it's very easy to use and it's open source. It includes a lot of advanced networking features, and it comes in both GUI and CLI interface. But there are some weaknesses to it as well. So like it doesn't support a lot of OS, like in Mac OS, it doesn't support. So time consuming if you do not apply the proper IP or like proper command with this one. And IDS and GDPS can be triggered by some of these scans, like which are not legal in some places. So I'll quickly show you the demonstration of the Nmap. So over here, I have got my Kali open. So over here, I'll just scan this IP address. So this is the result. We got it after scanning this IP address. So over here, the port 135 TCP is open, and we can see all the open ports over here, and it has scanned for all the IP addresses over here for like 10.0.2.2 and everything. And along with this one, we can like in the same one, if we just want to scan for the UDP or TCP, we can specify by adding the syntax over here, just by S or S. So that's all for the Nmap. Now I like to pass it to another one and the team member. Thanks.
Thank you, Sandesh. So I'll be speaking about the Unicorn Scan. So Unicorn Scan is a free and open source automated penetration testing tool that security researchers may use to gather data and assess the security of a website and web server. It is available on GitHub. So some of the benefit of Unicorn Scan is that it is capable of updating the asynchronous TCP banner, and it supports the SQL relational output from the network as well on hosts. They can perform the TCP and UDP asynchronous scans. And the weakness of the Unicorn scan is that it doesn't show the computer scan as the Nmap. So I'll be demonstrating Unicorn scan. So for that, I will I will turn on my FTP server quickly, and then so yeah, so I'll turn on my FTP server first of all to show that so then when I scan from the Unicorn, it should show that my FTP port is open. So this is the Kali Linux, and then I'll be doing the Unicorn scan. So the IP of my host is 192.168.1.75, and then we'll scan. As you can see that the FTP port is open. That means that the scan was nice and proper. So I'll just pass on the slide to my another friend who will be discussing about which one is better.
I'll be discussing which one is suitable between Nmap and Unicorn scan. So Nmap, UDP, and TCP scan takes a lot of time to complete. Some of the Nmap scan usually trigger the intrusion detection and intrusion detection, prevention, and intrusion detection, which does not occur in Unicorn. Unicorn allows you to save the respective scan file as well. Nmap needs furthermore built-in tool for more scanning of network vulnerabilities. Some of Nmap commands are a bit confusing as well as hard to master. So in this instant, we chose Unicorn scan instead of Nmap. So I'll pass. I'll go to the next slide. If you have any questions, you're free to ask.
Thank you so much for